Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, please hit the notification button so you can be notified when videos are uploaded, which that is every Thursday at 2 p.m. Today I will be demonstrating how I create my hair and scalp whipped conditioning butter that promotes hair growth. This is the shea butter in its natural form, and I take it to melt it down into a liquid form where after it's cooled down and then it is whipped and then it's turned into, then the essential oils are added to make it into a beautiful whipped creamy consistency where you can apply. This is the emulsifying wax, where this is my first time adding it to my product, where it gave it a more stronger consistent base to the product. This is the package point of where I packaged it, and my grandson is experiencing the product in its natural form where he's putting it, applying it to his hair, and where this product add natural shine and it promote hair growth. So if you would like to get our product, please visit us on at www.rlhairstudio.net, where you can order your own jar of the 4 ounce so you can experience this wonderful product for yourself. Thank you for watching.